I'm Yuniki, a software engineer specializing in business automation and app development. In this demonstration, I will showcase an integrated B2B CRM automation system that I built using n8n. This system designed to solve the common issue of slow response time when handling potential clients. Powered by AI, the system can automatically qualify leads, generate highly specific proposals, and execute follow-up all completely on autopilot. Let's briefly look at how it works. This workflow is triggered when a prospect fills out a quotation request form. The data doesn't just go into a database, it is immediately analyzed by Google Gemini AI. The AI acts as a smart filter to evaluate the scale and urgency of the project. If the AI categorizes the prospect as a high potential or high value project, the system routes the data to the upper path. Here, it automatically duplicates a document template, logs the prospect data into Google Sheets, and commands the AI to draft a highly professional email. That email is then sent along with the customized proposal. Finally, the system sends a real-time notification to my Telegram so I can follow up immediately. This is the proposal template we use. Notice the variables inside the curly brackets. The system will automatically replace those variables with the actual client's company name, ensuring that every outgoing proposal is unique and personalized without any manual typing. However, if the incoming request is regular or small scale, the AI routes it to the lower path. The system sends an automated polite reply informing them that our team is reviewing their request. It then pauses the workflow for exactly 3 minutes, adjusted specifically for this live demonstration, before sending an automated follow-up email. Let's do a live demonstration. For the first test, I will input data for a large-scale project. The client's name is Yuniki from Mega Build Construction, and with the request, we need to run 50 excavators and 10,000 tons of concrete for an international highway project. I'm using my secondary email address, Yuniki, to act as the client and view the final result. Let's submit the data now. Within seconds, I receive a Telegram notification alerting me a high-ticket lead from Mega Build Construction. In Google Sheets, the client's data is neatly logged along with its potential score. Next, let's check the inbox. The client has received the perfectly drafted quotation email from our AI. And when the proposal link is opened, the document has been automatically customized for Mega Build Construction. Now, let's test the second scenario for a regular request. We'll change the name to Unique B. With the request, I need to run one who had 2 sacks of cement for backyard maintenance. Company name, Unique Garden. The target email remains the same. Let's submit. This time the system doesn't trigger an emergency Telegram alarm because the scale is different. However, in the client's inbox, they immediately receive a responsive and professional message stating that their request is in our review queue. If we look at the system execution history in n8n, this workflow is currently in a waiting status. The system is automatically counting down for 3 minutes, and the automated follow-up email has successfully landed in the client's inbox without manual intervention. As an additional note, for these demonstrations, I use Google Sheets as a lightweight database to make the data flow easier to visualize. However, the architecture of the system is designed with high flexibility and is fully customizable to fit your business infrastructure. If your company handles a massive volume of data, the system can be seamlessly integrated into modern relational databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, or your existing CRM. Furthermore, I can also develop custom web application or dedicate internal dashboard for your company. These allow your management team to monitor, filter, and manage the entire lead life cycle through a single, secure, and centralized modern interface. In conclusion, through this automation, business can guarantee that high-value clients receive instant VIP response, while regular clients are still optimally managed without draining your operational team's resources. Thank you for watching. I'm Unique and I'm ready to help digitalize and automate your business process to the next level.